Welcome back to Agri Survival. Today, we have a fantastic gardening hack for you that's not only eco-friendly but also incredibly effective. We'll show you how to make your very own banana peel fertilizer to supercharge your plant's growth. Let's get started. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need banana peels, the more, the better, a sharp knife or scissors, a blender or food processor, a sealable container or jar, water. Take those banana peels and give them a good rinse to remove any pesticide residues. Once they're clean, use your knife or scissors to chop them into smaller pieces. This will make them easier to blend. Now, transfer those chopped banana peels into your blender or food processor. Add a bit of water to help with the blending process. You want to achieve a thick, smooth paste. Pour your banana peel paste into a sealable container or jar. This mixture is rich in essential nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are fantastic for your plant's health. To use your banana peel fertilizer, simply mix it with water. A good rule of thumb is 1 part banana peel paste to 5 parts water. Stir it well to ensure even distribution. Now comes the fun part. Gently pour your banana peel fertilizer around the base of your plants. Avoid getting it on the leaves, as it might attract unwanted pests. Banana peel fertilizer enriches the soil with nutrients, improves water retention, and encourages beneficial microorganisms. It's a natural and sustainable way to boost your garden's growth. And there you have it, your very own DIY banana peel fertilizer. Your plants will thank you with vibrant growth and healthier blooms. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening! If you've tried this banana peel fertilizer or have other gardening hacks to share, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.